Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys keyboard vibration problem how to solve. Friends, you have keyboard vibration problem, keyboard vibrate problem. So how to solve keyboard vibrate problem one by one, step by step friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, when you use your Infinix mobile phone keyboard and friends your keyboard vibrate, so how to fix keyboard vibrate problem, and friends you can check there is no any sound setting. So friends you cannot fix keyboard problem from here. So friends you will have to open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, click here sound vibration setting, and in your sound vibration guys, second last sound friends, you can see touch sound, touch vibration setting, turn off. After turn off friends, now you can use your keyboard without any vibrate. Friends, click here search option, use your keyboard, Infinix mobile keyboard, and friends your keyboard will not vibrate. You can use your keyboard without any touch vibrate problem. And friends, you want to use keyboard vibrate setting, so friends again open your phone sound vibration setting, touch vibration on. After on friends, click here, and friends if you use your keyboard, if you tap on keyboard, your phone will vibrate. And direct friends, you can search here touch touch vibration setting. Direct friends you can on and you can off touch vibration setting. If you off, so you can use your keyboard without any vibrate. And friends if you on, if you tap on keyboard, so friends your keyboard will vibrate. So like that friends, we can use keyboard vibrate setting, keyboard vibrate problem we can fix. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.